Good morning, students. So today here we are with a question from determinant and matrices from JEE 2023. So let us see what is the question. Let A be a 3 cross 3 matrix such that determinant of adjoint of adjoint of adjoint of A is given as 12 power 4. Then they are asking what is the determinant of A inverse into adjoint of A. And the options are 12, 1, root 6 and 2 root 3. So the solution is in front of you. What have we done? We have assumed let adjoint of A be P. In that case, we know determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant of A power n minus 1 the whole square, which will be equal to determinant of P. So with that idea, since A is a 3 cross 3 matrix, n value is 3 and therefore we get determinant A power 2 the whole power 2, which comes out to be determinant A power 4. So now we have determinant of P is equal to determinant of A power 4, which is nothing but determinant of adjoint of A. Now coming to the question, determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but we have replaced adjoint of A with P. So we have determinant of adjoint of P equal to 12 power 4. Now determinant of adjoint of P by the formula we know it is determinant of P power n minus 1, where again n is the order of the matrix. So since it is a 3 cross 3 matrix, n equal to 3, and therefore we get determinant P square is equals to 12 power 4. Now we have already found the value of determinant P, which is determinant A power 4, and therefore it becomes determinant A power 4 the whole square is equals to 12 power 4. The powers get multiplied, A raised to m the whole raised to n becomes A raised to m into n. So therefore determinant A power 4 into 2, which can also be written as determinant A power 2 the whole raised to 4. Why have we written so? So that now we can compare in both LHS and RHS. We have the power 4, so therefore the base should be equal. So therefore determinant A square should be equal to 12, and hence we get the value of determinant A as 2 root 3. Now what we need is determinant of A inverse into adjoint of A, which is equal to determinant of A inverse into determinant of adjoint of A, which is equal to determinant of A inverse is nothing but 1 upon determinant of A, and determinant of adjoint of A is nothing but determinant A power n minus 1, where n is the order, so it becomes determinant A square. So one determinant and one determinant from the square gets cancelled, so we are left only with determinant A. Hence the answer comes out to be determinant of A inverse into adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A, which is equal to 2 root 3. That is option 4. Thank you.